Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be investigating the temperature of that flame right there. We want to know how hot the Bunsen burner flame is. And so in order to do this, we're going to build off of some of the concepts that we've already been learning about. I have some instruments out on the table here. I have a graduated cylinder, and the graduated cylinder has exactly 100.0 milliliters of water in it. I have a calorimeter. So we don't have a lid on this calorimeter, but it's kind of like a flask, like your hydro flasks where it's the dual walls. So we shouldn't really have much in the way of heat being lost when we use this one here. We're not using styrofoam cups today because when fire is involved, styrofoam is not a good combination, but if that gets too hot, we don't really have too much of a problem. And then over on the scale here with our measurement, we have a piece of copper. So if we just look at it, this is what's called a copper turning. So it's basically just like a piece of copper that's been shaved off of a bar, a big solid piece of a bar of copper. So they call these copper turnings. But this is pure copper. So we've got these different things. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the water into our calorimeter. So we got that. And we need to get some temperatures here. Okay. So I'm just going to shut the lights out here for a second so that it's a little easier for me to see the temperature. Trying to get this thing glowing red hot. Okay, that's about as red as I think this thing's going to get. We're going to go ahead and get it into the water. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if we can't get some temperature readings. Looks like it's pretty constant right there, so not going any higher than that. 27.8. All right. So we should have all the information. Let me know, how hot is that Bunsen burner flame?